you see yourself as an American?
I'm an American. I see myself as an American.
Abdul Qadir Adan has been driving a cab in the Twin Cities for 2 years. Adan says he'd take me anywhere unless I was carrying alcohol.
The one who drinks, the one who transports, and the one who makes business of it, they have the same category.
So by taking my alcohol into your cab, you are sinning.
Sinning too.
Adan is not alone. About 3/4 of the 900 cabbies serving the airport are Muslims, many who say they will not pick up any passenger who has beer, wine, or liquor.
This is America. We have freedom of religion.
Bob Dildine is one of 5,400 passengers who's been refused service in the last 5 years.
We were standing right in this area, right here.
Last May, Dildine says he was traveling with wine he bought on vacation when 5 cab drivers refused to give him and his daughter a ride.
They're here to provide service to people. We were a lawful customer, and we were denied service. That's not our way of doing things.
The Metropolitan Airport Commission, or MAC, consulted the local Muslim American Society, which issued this fatwa, or religious opinion.
It is actually clear and expressly stated that transportation of alcohol for Muslims is against the Islamic faith and therefore forbidden.
Airport officials say after thousands of complaints from passengers, they looked for a compromise.
Last September, an idea was floated to put distinctive lights on the roof of cabs of observant Muslim drivers. The idea was that the taxi starter, the person who directs you to a cab, would be able to send people with packages like this to those cab drivers who have no objection to transporting alcohol.
But the feedback we got, not only locally, but really from around the country and in fact around the world, was almost entirely negative. People saw that as condoning discrimination against people who had alcohol.
Right now, any cabbie who refuses a passenger carrying alcohol has to go to the back of the line. That could mean another 3-hour wait for a fare. But now MAC is considering stiffer penalties, a 30-day suspension for a first refusal, a 2-year suspension for a second.
We're now at a point where the taxi drivers may have to make a choice that either this is a good fit for them in terms of their career options, or they might need to look for another place to earn a living.
Like many cabbies here, Adan feels the airport is unsympathetic and intolerant.
I would leave my job instead of doing something that's not allowed in my religion.
If he does leave, Adan could be one of hundreds of Minnesota cabbies who will choose their faith over the next fare. Keith Oppenheim, CNN, Minneapolis.